Welcome to Dittofi. In this video, I will demonstrate how to establish a one-to-many relationship within Dittofi. In Dittofi, a one-to-many relationship is defined by creating what you call a foreign key in the many side of the many side table that references the primary key on the one side table. This foreign key establishes a link between the two tables and allows multiple rows in a many side table to be associated with a single row in the one side table. So the one side table that we have here is going to be called users, and the many side table is going to be called posts. So we want to ensure that a user can create multiple posts and want to establish that one-to-many relationship. So each table between the users and the posts have what you call a primary key. In Dittofi, the primary key is always going to be the ID column. And in order to establish a one-to-many relationship, we need to create a foreign key in a many side table, which is a post. So in order to do this, we're going to have to create a new column. So we'll call it user ID. I'll give it a number, and then we'll click save. Right. And so we can now establish a one-to-many relationship by taking the ID of a user and using it as the foreign key in this table. So we're going to make this 1, 1, 1. So what this means is the user, Ugochukwu, has multiple posts in this table. So then we can have, let's say, Jennifer take the remaining posts. And that's it. We've been able to create a one-to-many relationship in Dittofi.